Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about first aid. Yes, first aid means the help given to a person, given to a victim before the arrival of the medical help. Yes, in the previous session we had discussed about the safety rules. Okay, these safety rules can prevent us from accident. But by chance, if accidents happens, if any problem is there, then we can try to reduce that problem. We can try to help the victim with the help of the first aid. Yes, first aid means the immediate help given to a victim before the arrival of a doctor or before the when the medical help is there. But before using that first aid kit, first of all, we should take care that we should not be in hurry or we should not be we should not be panic. Be calm and just do the same with the patient. And with this, we can help the patient to come up from the emergency. So if we will talking about the first aid kit, it should be a handy box in which some basic materials like your cotton, scissors, antiseptic solution should be there, so that if there any urgency, we can help the patient or the victim. Now we will try to find out how we can help the patients or the victim, because in different situation different types of first aid is needed. Are you ready? So first of all, we are going to talk about minor burn. Sometimes there is a minor burn, for example, due to the hot water is there, or sometimes candle is there, due to the fire it is there. Okay, and when by chance we are going to touch any hot object. So in this case of minor burn, we should not be panic. First of all, we should apply cold water. For that, we should apply the ice pack on this minor burn, so that which there is a itching which is going on, it can be reduced. And after that, we can apply the antiseptic solution. So it's very easy. We should first of all stay calm, don't panic. After that, you have to just take the ice water or the cold water, running water or the ice pack and apply on the area where there is a minor burn, and after that apply the antiseptic cream. And if the burn is not minor, it's a severe, then we should consult with the doctor. Now next one is minor cut. Sometimes when we are playing with anyone is playing with a sharp object like the knife, or when anyone is cutting anything, then there can be a minor cut. So in that case, Anek, don't panic, stay calm and just wash that cut with the clean water, with the clean running water, and after that apply antiseptic cream, and if it is needed, then we can apply bandage also. So this antiseptic cream, this bandage should be in a first aid kit, and this first aid kit, it should be at that place that we can easily found, because we need it in emergency. We have to give the immediate help to the patients. Now in the case of insect bites, if insects cut it, then again the first rule, stay calm, don't panic, and just wash that area where the insects bite you with soap and water. Yes, wash that area with soap and water. After that, rub ice over it. You have to rub ice over it and then apply antiseptic solution. And after that, if you are able to see the sting of the insect, then take the help of your elders and remove that sting. So by apply these methods, means by your calm nature and with the help of this first aid kit, you can help the persons a lot. Now we will discuss the first aid if the person faints. If a person faints, then what we can do? So first of all, try to know why fainting occurs. So that occurs due to the reduced blood supply to the brain. When in the brain there is a not sufficient supply of blood, a person can faint. So in such situation, what we can do, first of all, as you know, stay calm and don't panic. And next one, light the victim, which is the person. Okay, it's make them person lie flat on its back. Let them lie flat on its back. And second, which is the most important one, raise the legs of the person above the head. You have to raise the leg of the person above the head so that it increase the supply of the blood to the brain. Next one, again it's a important one, allow fresh air to come, means there should be no gathering around the victim. So allow fresh air to come. And if there are tight clothes are there, we have to lose it, means open you can say open the buttons. And if there is a belt is there, ties there, we have to lose it. And after that, as soon as possible, we should consult with the doctor. So in case of fainting, the victim should be lie flat at the back. Their legs should be raised up above the head and allow fresh air to come, and just lose their tight clothes and wait for the medical help as soon as possible. Now, if there is a food poisoning, then first of all, give the water to the patient, but in a small sip. The patient should take the water in the small sips and try to give the ORS solution from time to time, because this ORS solution and the small sips of water you can say help them to maintain the level of water into their body. And in that case, any person, we should avoid to give tea or coffee or any fried object, because in that cases vomiting should be there. Okay, so till the vomiting stops, we should not give any heavy food, only light food with small sips of water and ORS solution. So by adopting these methods with the knowledge of these first aid, we can help other persons.